fishing on the jet ski.
Believe it or not, I miss my dad already. That was the coolest thing ever. I just saw two turtles mating. Alright, this jet ski is not going no more than 20 miles per hour. And it's kind of clear here. So I think I'm going to jump in, take a leap of faith. Fishing on the jet ski was going to be so hard. I'm going to have to call it quits. This is just chaos, very chaotic. So I think it's best if I just head in. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm going fishing on the jet ski. It's kind of a late start because it's 7:04. I woke up at 6. I was trying to wake up at 5 to beat the sunrise, but I didn't. But it is a beautiful day. I'm so excited. I'll see you guys out there. I've never gone fishing without him, maybe once or twice, but I miss him and I wish he was here. But number one, he hates going on the jet ski, and number two, he is on vacation. But I mean, I know we'll have plenty of time to go fishing together, but Dad, this one's for you. If I don't catch anything, it's not for you, okay? Thing ever. I just saw two turtles mating. I don't know where they went. I'm not going to bother them anymore, but that was beyond cool. Oh my god. Alright, this jet ski is not going no more than 20 miles per hour. And it's kind of clear here, so I think I'm gonna jump in, take a leap of faith. If anything happens, here's the proof. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna jump in right here, and I'll let you guys know and show you guys how it goes. didn't think fishing on the jet ski was gonna be so hard. I have to hold on to the accelerator as I'm trying to fish. I just lost the popper on this. I need to go find it. I need to reel up this rod. So this is just really a shit show. I'm going to have to call it quits. And the seaweed is not helping. I already have weed stuck again. So hard. Now I know why people own a boat. In all seriousness, this is not gonna work. I'm gonna have to go back and plan it out again. I will definitely be posting this video only because I don't feel as if every time someone posts something, they have to catch it. You have to show the flaws that come with fishing. I've never come out here on the jet ski. I've never come out here by myself, let alone. So I'm learning. So I'm gonna put everything back and just head back in. I think it's best for me. There's nobody home to help me if anything happens. So I think it's best if I call it quits, and I know I have a bunch of better videos, a bunch of good fishing with my dad. Holy Jesus, was this a fail. But it's okay, like I said earlier, it's the fallbacks that allow us to get better and learn from it. And I think I've learned I'm never going out on the jet ski fishing. Also guys, one more thing I forgot to mention. I brought my coffee. Couldn't forget it. I was starting to get a headache, so I'm drinking it. I'm trying to find the popper that I just lost, and I can't find it, so I might have to call it quits. But yeah, I'm really sad. I was well prepared for this. I got myself a new rod for that reel. I prepared everything, but this is just chaos, very chaotic. So I think it's best if I just head in. Yeah, let's see if I can find my way home with no GPS, so that'll be fun. This is very chaotic. With one person especially, it's impossible to accelerate, fish, get everything prepared. And I'm starting to get seasick. I'm getting a little too far out. There's seaweed in the impeller, so yeah, we'll see you back at the dock unpacking because I didn't catch any fish, so yeah. Guys, I wanted to say one last thing before I jump into the shark infested water. No, I'm just kidding, but seriously, I wanted to say thank you all for watching, and I am trying to be as consistent as possible posting videos for you guys. I want to show you guys my experience, learn from everything I do, and yeah, most importantly, have fun and get the word out there. So if you guys could please subscribe, that would be awesome. And this water is so clear. I'm so thankful that I don't have to jump into murky water because usually the bay is murky. But yeah, on to the next video.